Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to sign a document step by step using Docusign. To get started, open Docusign and go to the Home or Agreements page. Look for the option that says Sign a Document and click on it. This is ideal when you're the only person who needs to sign the document, such as for forms, reports, or surveys. Next, upload your document by clicking on the Upload option. Once the file is uploaded, click on the Sign button to begin. On the next screen, you'll see a Fields panel. This is where you can choose the fields you want to add to your document. For example, you can select fields like signature, name, or text box. Simply drag and drop these fields onto the appropriate spots in the document. After placing all the necessary fields, review your document to ensure everything is in the right place. Once you're satisfied, click the Finish button. This will complete the signing process and save a signed copy to your Docusign account. That's all you need to do to sign a document using Docusign. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.